Hello, this is Blaine McCormick from the Hankamer School of Business at Baylor University with a short video in the series I do called Just Right about maximizing your balanced scorecard points. And this one deals particularly with SG&A expenses. So Just Right Part 3. Let's look at SG&A expenses on the balanced scorecard. Like other scores in the Just Right series, you see that being in the middle here is the way to travel. And so if you have less than 5% spending SG&A expenses over sales, that's not enough. It's not going to give you any credit. Yet if your SG&A expenses exceed 25% of your sales, you're probably spending too much souping up your products and promoting them and things like that. So that's a little overkill. Where we want to be is just right in this zone, and it's a big fat zone too. That's really good. 7% to 20% SG&A expenses as a percentage of sales. So it's an easy, big target to hit. Should be easy points to get. So just what is SG&A? For the uninitiated, SG&A stands for Sales, General, and Administrative Expenses. It's an accounting term off the income statement, and that's where we'll find it. We'll go to there next. But your sales expenses include your promo budget and your sales budget, your marketing budget in foundation talk. The general expenses will be your R&D or research and development expenses, the money that you spend revising your products go into the general. And then the administrative expenses are a bunch of your management fees and transaction fees, but also probably the biggest line is your human resource management fees fall into the administrative category. So SG&A as a percentage of sales looks like that on the income statement. We find it here in this yellow box. You can see by product. This is the pro forma income statement off of the foundation decision set. There you can see for product fast that we're spending $1 million in R&D, $3 million in promotion, $3 million in sales, and $688,000 spent on administrative expenses. And you can see that the total period costs are 19.6%. But 2.2% of that's depreciation, so 17.4% SG&A costs right now, which puts me squarely in the green zone. That's a good thing. I'm spending just the right amount, not too little, not too much, just the right amount. There is a useful graph at the bottom of the pro forma income statement that breaks down the expected revenue on a product by the expenses associated with it. So you've got your labor costs, your material costs, inventory carrying costs, and then you'll find the SG&A costs here. So you can see, just kind of eyeballing it as a percentage basis, if that's bigger than 1/5 of your total bar, you're doing it too much, or if it's too small, if it's less than 5% of your total bar, you're doing it too small. How do you calculate it? Very easy calculation. You take your SG&A expenses, your actual ones off of your income statement, and you divide it by your actual revenue or your sales. So let's just say if we had $1,500 of SG&A expenses and we had $10,000 in sales, our SG&A would be 15%. So it's a very easy calculation, just SG&A as a percentage of sales there. So again, where do you want to be? Just right. You don't want to spend too much on your SG&A, too much promo, too much sales, too much R&D. You can overdo it. Likewise, you don't want to spend too little. No advertising, no revisions, no HR investments. Foundation wants you to be just right here in the middle between 7 and 20% SG&A as a percentage of sales. So, hope that's helpful for you. Thanks for tuning in.